Hello and welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson, we will discuss the different types of learning styles: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Learning isn't a one-size-fits-all endeavor. Just as we all have unique personalities and interests, we also have distinct preferences when it comes to learning. Understanding these preferences can unlock the door to more effective studying, improved retention, and enhanced learning experiences. Let's delve into the characteristics of each learning style and explore practical strategies to cater to diverse learning preferences. Visual learners prefer to process information through images, diagrams, charts, and other visual aids. They excel at interpreting and recalling visual stimuli, such as maps, graphs, and illustrations. Example: imagine you're studying a complex concept like the human digestive system. As a visual learner, you might benefit from using colorful diagrams or flowcharts to visualize the process and understand the relationships between different organs and functions. Auditory learners learn best through listening and verbal communication. They have a keen sense of auditory processing and excel at absorbing information through lectures, discussions, podcasts, and audiobooks. Example: if you're an auditory learner studying a foreign language, you might find it helpful to listen to audio recordings of native speakers to improve your pronunciation and comprehension skills. Kinesthetic learners prefer hands-on, experiential learning activities that engage their sense of touch and movement. They learn best through physical experiences, such as experiments, simulations, and interactive activities. Example: suppose you're learning about the principles of physics. As a kinesthetic learner, you might grasp concepts more effectively by conducting hands-on experiments or building models to explore how forces and motion interact in the real world. Let's say you're studying geometry and you're struggling to understand the concept of angles and geometric shapes. As a kinesthetic learner, you might benefit from a hands-on activity like using geometric manipulatives such as tangrams or pattern blocks to explore angles and shapes directly. By physically arranging and manipulating the pieces, you can gain a tactile understanding of how different angles relate to each other and how shapes can be transformed through rotation, reflection, and translation. This hands-on approach not only reinforces your understanding of geometric concepts, but also engages your spatial awareness and kinesthetic senses, making learning more interactive and memorable for you. Understanding your preferred learning style can help you tailor your study techniques to maximize your learning potential. Here are some practical strategies to cater to different learning styles. For visual learners, use visual aids like mind maps, diagrams, and color-coded notes to organize information and reinforce concepts visually. For auditory learners, record lectures or reading materials and listen to them repeatedly to reinforce auditory processing and comprehension. For kinesthetic learners, engage in hands-on activities, role-playing exercises, and interactive simulations to actively engage your senses and reinforce learning through physical experiences. In conclusion, recognizing and accommodating different learning styles is essential for effective teaching and learning. By understanding the characteristics of visual, auditory, and kinesthetic learning styles, you can adapt your study strategies to suit your individual preferences and optimize your learning experience. That concludes our exploration of the types of learning styles. Stay tuned for the next lesson, where we'll delve into memory techniques to enhance your learning and retention. This is it for this lesson. See you in the next one.